Right, so this is the builder that we have. There are multiple functionality available here. So we have templates. So templates are kind of predefined pages that we can make available to the users. So they're going to have different categories. So we could have templates for birthdays, anniversaries, or anything. So this one is predefined template we just created. So there is only one single image. So we can make them available to users so that they can further play with it. For example, if I go to clip art section, so this is one default sample clip art that is available with us. I click on it. The user can basically resize the clip art or they can rotate it. Let me put it here. Then we have images. One can either upload the image and then their resources. So we have implemented APIs. For example, Pixabay is a service through which we can fetch images. One can also search by keyword. And if let's just select, this is the image which we just fetched from this particular service. One can again resize it. They can crop it from here. Or then we have filters for changing the colors and making it look different in different styles. Then we have this positioning. So if you want to move this image to, let's say, left corner or any specified location, so you just select it and it will fit, properly aligned. And as you might have just seen, right? So this image, this clip art is in the background and this image is in the foreground. So if I want to switch it, I can simply click on arrange layers. I select back. Now this one has gone to the back. So there are more other options available. For example, I can rotate the image as I have shown earlier. I can skew it. And there are similar operations available with the text also. So if I go and select a text, so these are again some predefined styles that we have provided to user. We can change them. So let me, for example, I have selected this curved text, which is visible here. I can change its color to yellow, and then I can further play with this curve. So let me change the radius. I can convert it to normal text or maybe to different style. I can again change the curve. Okay. I can make it bold, or even I can change the font. So there are various options available for playing with the text. Then again, we have the layer option to bring text to the backward and forward, changing its position, and then again filter. So I can again rotate the text or skew the text. Right. Similarly, we have shapes. So these are some predefined images. These are vector icons basically. So I can put them here. So like you said, these are kind of doodles. Currently, we do not have any coloring option, but we'll see if it is possible. And then at last, there are layers. So one can lock a layer so that they do not change position mistakenly. Let me lock it, right? So as you can see, this clip art is locked and will not move. If I unlock it, I can simply move it, or I can hide and show it. And along with all this functionality, then we have this undo and redo option available. So I can either undo my last action or I can redo it. We also have the zoom functionality. So one can basically zoom in and zoom out and align their elements, properly. And if you notice one more thing here, these dotted lines, right? So these are the borders, maybe the printing area that is defined by us. So if I move the image, sorry, I locked them all. If I move the image, right, so it will always remain in that area. Basically, user can actually see that what is the printing area and how images are appearing. So these are all the different features which are available. So just a quick walkthrough for you.